Okay, we have seen that the Amharic language alphabet table or the Fidel Gabata. Previously, we have seen that the Amharic language alphabetic table, and now we'll see on how to write this Amharic language. Okay, and before that, it's important in Amharic language. It's important to know these 5 signs, and these signs are horizontal line, vertical line, half circle, full circle, and diagonal line. These 5 signs, okay, horizontal line, vertical line, half circle, full circle, and diagonal line are important signs. They are the most important signs in Amharic language. In order to write the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, okay, we have seen that there are 34 basic Amharic alphabets, and in order to write these 34 basic Amharic alphabets, we need to know these 5 signs: horizontal line, vertical line, half circle, full circle, and diagonal line. These 5 signs are important to write the 34 Amharic alphabets, okay? And in order to study these 34 Amharic alphabets, it's important to classify them into what? Into 6 groups, okay? Into 6 groups. So it's important to classify the 34 Amharic alphabets into what? Into 6 groups. So we will see each groups, okay? The first one is group 1, okay? Group 1. From the 34 Amharic alphabets, in order to be included under group 1, there are criteria. And before that, 7, okay, from the 34 Amharic alphabets, 7 alphabets are included under group 1, okay? 7 alphabets are included under group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 alphabets are included under group 1. And the criteria to be included under group 1 are either one of the 2 criteria must be fulfilled. And the first criteria is that the alphabets from the 34 alphabets, in order to be included under group 1, the alphabets needs to have one leg and horizontal line, okay? The alphabets needs to have one leg and horizontal line, or one leg alphabet with both horizontal and vertical line. If one of the 2 criteria are fulfilled, then from the 34 alphabets, one of them will be included under group 1. So the criteria are from the 2 criteria, if one of the 2 criteria is fulfilled, which means they need to be what? The alphabet needs to be one leg alphabet with what? With horizontal line, or one leg alphabet with both what? With both horizontal and vertical line. So if one of these 2 criteria are fulfilled, then the alphabets are included under group 1. And let us see some of them and on how they are included under group 1. Here, the alphabet. This alphabet is called what? Ta. This alphabet is called what? Ta. T-E. Ta. And it is included under group 1. Because why? It has what? One leg here. It has one leg and what? And horizontal line on its middle. It has what? One leg, okay? It has only what? One leg. Then what? A horizontal line. So due to this, it is included under group 1, which means it meets the criteria that it has what? One leg and what? A horizontal line. It has one leg and horizontal line. Due to that, the alphabet called Ta, the basic alphabet from the 34 basic alphabet, an alphabet called Ta, T, Ta, is included under group 1. Okay. Next, this alphabet is called what? Cha. C-H-E, cha. It has what? One leg. Here. One leg, okay? It has one leg. Horizontal line here. And also horizontal line here. So it has met the criteria. It has one leg and a horizontal line. Number of horizontal line doesn't matter, okay? It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. Minimum requirement is only one horizontal line. So one leg and one horizontal line. If it has one leg and one horizontal line, it is included here. If it has one leg and 2 horizontal line, it is also included here. The number of horizontal line, it doesn't matter or it doesn't count, okay? It can be 1, 2, 3, that doesn't matter, okay? So Cha is included under group 1 since it has what? One leg, a horizontal line and horizontal line. So due to this, from the 34 basic alphabets, alphabet Cha is included under group 1, okay, under group 1. Okay, the other alphabet from the 34 basic alphabets included under group 1 is what? G. G. This alphabet is called G. G-E, G. It has what? It has one leg here and what? And horizontal line. Since it has one leg and horizontal line, alphabet called G is included under what? Under group 1. Okay, the other alphabet is from the 34 basic alphabet included under group 1 is what? This alphabet is called P, P, P-E, P, P, okay? It has what? P has one leg and what? And horizontal line on its head, okay? Horizontal line on its head. So, alphabet called B, the basic alphabet called B, the basic alphabet called P is included under group 1. It's P, P-E, P, okay? The next alphabet included under group 1 is called what? N. This alphabet is called what? N. N-E. N. Why? Because what? It has what? Here, one leg. It has what? One leg. And horizontal line. Here, horizontal line. And what? Here, vertical line. We have said that if one of the two criteria are fulfilled, then the alphabets are included under group 1. So, the criteria is that if it has one leg and horizontal line, or if it has one leg and both horizontal and vertical line. So the alphabet N has what? It has one leg, here it has horizontal line, then vertical line. So it has one leg and both horizontal and vertical line. Due to this, it is included under what? Under group 1. Okay, the other alphabet included under group 1 is called what? Ñ. This one is called what? Ñ. N-G-E. Ñ. Ñ, okay, Ñ, N-G-E, Ñ. Ñ is included under group 1 because what? Because it has what? One leg, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. As I have told you, the number of horizontal line and vertical line doesn't matter. It can be 1, 2, 3. It can be repeated, okay? That doesn't matter. But at least it needs to have what? A horizontal line or a vertical line, or both horizontal and vertical line. So, the alphabet from the 34 basic alphabet Ñ is included under group 1. Because what? Because it has one leg, horizontal line, vertical line, and horizontal line. One leg, both horizontal and vertical line. Both horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal, another horizontal, it doesn't matter. If the number is repeated, no problem, okay? The other one is included under group 1 is what? H. Alphabet called H. H-E. H. Okay? Since it has what? It has one leg, horizontal line, vertical line. Here also small horizontal line. Here, then vertical line. Okay? So an alphabet called H is included under group 1. So from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, 7 of the alphabets are included under group 1, and they are T, Ch, G, P, N, Ñ, and H are included under group 1 since they have made one of the two criteria. Either they have one leg and horizontal line, or they have one leg and both vertical and horizontal line. So due to this, from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, 7 of them are included under what? Under group 1. Okay, the second classification is group 2. Okay, group 2. This one is group 1. The second one is group 2. Group 2. Okay. For an alphabet to be included under group 2 from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, in order to be included under group 2, there are what? Criteria. If one of the 3 criteria have fulfilled, they will be included under group 2. And the criteria are for an alphabet to be included under group 2, either the alphabet needs to have what? 2 legs and a vertical line. They need to have what? 2 legs and a vertical line, or 2 legs and horizontal line, or 2 legs and both what? Horizontal and vertical line. 2 legs and both horizontal and vertical line. If one of the 3 criteria have fulfilled, then the alphabet is included under group 2. So they need to have what? 2 legs and vertical line, or either 2 legs and horizontal line, or 2 legs and both horizontal and vertical line from the 34 basic Amharic alphabet. So the first alphabet included under group 2 is what called La. Okay, La. L-E, La. Since it has what? It has 2 legs, okay? Here. 1, 2. Okay, it has 2 legs. And what? Here. 1 vertical line on its side. Okay? 1, 2. 2 legs. And 1 vertical line. So, since it has 2 legs and vertical line, alphabet called La is included under group 2. The other alphabet included under group 2 is called what? This one? Z. Z-E, Z. It has, and the reason it is included under group 2 is that because it has what? 1, 2. It has 2 legs and what? A horizontal line in the middle. So it has met this criteria. It has 2 legs and what? Horizontal line. So due to that, alphabet Z is included under group 2. The other alphabet from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets included under group 2 is called what? J. This one is Z. This one is J. Z-Z-E. J. Z-H-E. J. And the reason is that what? Because it has what? 2 legs. 1, 2. 2 legs. Here, horizontal line above its head. Horizontal line to the left. Horizontal line to the right. As I have said you, the number of vertical line might be repeated. That doesn't matter. Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So no problem. So alphabet called J is included under group 2 because it has what? 2 legs and horizontal line. So the other alphabet included under group 2 is called what? B-E. B. And the reason are since B has what? 1, 2. B has 2 legs and what? Horizontal line on its side. So, since it has 2 legs and horizontal line, an alphabet called B is included under what? Under group 2. Okay. The other alphabet included under group 2 is called what? This one? V. Okay? V. V-E. V. Since V is included under group 2, it has what? As it has 1, 2. It has 2 legs, here horizontal line, and also another horizontal line above its head. This one is B, whereas this one is V. This one is B, B-E. This one is V, V-E, V. Okay. V is included under group 2. Another alphabet from the 34 basic alphabets included under group 2 is called what? This one? S. Okay? S. S has what? 1, 2. S has 2 legs, here horizontal line and vertical line. It has met this criteria. It has 2 legs and both here horizontal line it has, then vertical line. This one and this one are not similar when they are written, okay? This one has 2 legs. It has like this, 2 legs, then what? Vertical line. It's written like this. Whereas this one, S has 2 legs, horizontal line and vertical line. This one has only 2 legs and vertical line. They are not similar, okay? This one is La, but this one is S. Okay? S. The other alphabet included under group 2 is called what? Sh. Sh is included under group 2, and the reason is that because it has what? 1, 2. It has what? It has 2 legs, then what? Horizontal line, in vertical line, and also horizontal line. So it has met this criteria. It has 2 legs and both horizontal and vertical line. Number of horizontal line and vertical line can be repeated. That doesn't matter. Okay, here there are 2 horizontal lines. That doesn't matter. If it has 1 horizontal line, it has met the criteria. If it is 2, 3, 4, no problem. It can be repeated. Okay. So alphabet called Sh is included under group 2. The other alphabet from the 34 basic alphabets that is included under group 2 is called what? This one? K. K-E. K. K is included under group 2 because it has what? 2 legs. 1, 2. It has 2 legs, then horizontal line, here also horizontal line, then vertical line. Since it has two legs and both horizontal and vertical line, horizontal, vertical line, the alphabet called K is included under what? Under group 2. The other alphabet included under group 2 is called what? H. This one is called H. H is included under group 2 because what? It has two legs. 1, 2. It has two legs. Horizontal line. Here also horizontal line. Vertical line. Horizontal line. Okay? So an alphabet called H is included under group 2 because it has two legs and both horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal. So the last alphabet included under group 2 is from the 34 basic Amharic alphabet. It is called what? A. Okay? A. The reason is that because it has what? It has two legs here. 1, 2. It has two legs. Then here it has horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line. Number of repetition does not matter, okay? It has both horizontal and vertical line and it has two legs. So it has met this criteria. With two legs and both horizontal and vertical line is included under group 2. So due to that, as a basic Amharic alphabet, A is included under group 2. So from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, 10 of the alphabets, okay? 10 of the alphabets are included under group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them are included under group 2, whereas 7 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are included under group 1. So from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, 7 and 10 together, 17 of the Amharic alphabets are included under what? Group 1, and